Chinese government, especially through the Chinese embassy in Thailand, have always support our country to the most extent. We have received lots of contributions, either education and assistance and donations from the relationship we have with each other. I could say loudly that Thai people always feel the wonderful brotherhood between Chinese and Thai. The Chinese-made vaccines are one of the major vaccines that we have given to our people. And we still believe that with the good cooperation that we have had with each other, we will continue to help each other to the best we can. And this will continue endlessly.